Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm back with a brand new project. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this project share. I am ridiculously excited to announce that I've actually created something that I've never had so much fun creating in such short amount of time. And if you're new, I would like to warmly welcome you in. It's just great to be here with you. I've created a recipe book, a totally new design, and I'll leave it down in the description for you as a link. It's completely customizable, and I really thought that this would make an amazing gift for someone. And if it's your own recipe, you can hand them off. A magazine style type of gift that has all the instructions you need to follow to make a delicious food dish. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And if you're wondering what it's like to sit in class with me, I've got a free tutorial here on YouTube ready to go. So this particular design is totally for just one recipe, because I can imagine these actually being created one after the next and dedicating a spot for grandma or mom's old-fashioned recipe cards that are going to be found on the inside. And these can be stacked side to side without ruining any of the fronts or back matting. So I decided to just mat with this wonderful, beautiful craft cardstock. And I can just see them all stacked up nice and organized with different colors even if you wanted. So right here on the front inside cover, you'll notice it's a folio design, so we have no pages. It's just sort of like a magazine layout. And I have my own little cookie recipe in here already. And I took these pictures today and I cut them down. I do have on the opposite side of the picture for the front plating of the cookies, the actual peanut butter cookie recipe written right here. I do have the preheated instructions right here, how long and how many it makes and who the recipe was by. So we can even essentially give grandma or mom their recipe card a home and get them out of that recipe box and put them in their own book and have it standing up on a super cute little stand that you can simply just get like from the Dollar Tree and have it right here and bake away as you go. I begin the instructions down right here, which are just little index cards cut down. And this project seriously came together so unbelievably fast. No design paper, but what's acting as the design paper are our photos themselves. So I just want you to take a cute look at these. Oh my goodness, so simple. This would make an extremely fun gift for a friend or even for Christmas. Any little recipe or cooking instructions in here on any particular dish you'd like, and you can just hand them out to a friend, family, whoever. And oh my gosh, I can just see grandma right here and her original 3x5 card right inside there, and I just love it so much. And that's it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I'll leave the class link down in the description. I cannot wait to see what you make. Much love, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.